Huawei is unveiling its new Nova 15 Ultra, focusing heavily on a redesigned aesthetic. The Ultra features a structured rectangular camera module. The front is expected to feature a large 1.5K resolution LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will support a triple rear camera setup, a 50 megapixel flagship level main camera. This Ultra expected to house a dual front facing camera system. RAM will be 8 and 12 GB and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. The smartphone will be powered by Kirin chipset. There will be under display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.